I can't do it.
Okay. Here is Amanda and Erica. And that's Amy. Amanda and Erica are going to be chugging Sprite, which is probably the most hardest thing to chug. Because it's so bubbly. Amanda!
Deleted the root beer one. So.
Yeah, sorry about that. Alright, so here we go. Step up to the plate. Alright, Amy, shut up this time, okay?
Don't say chug. Don't say it. Chug.
Come on. Go, 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 go.
How?
Erica wins, or Amanda. You alright, Amanda?
I'm good. But I won the last one. That's not fair. So you deleted it. I won the last one.
Yeah,
so you know what?
Sorry.
That's a tie. That's a double tie.
So it's a double tie because...
I pwned you.
Alright, does anyone have to burp? That's
what Nick Jonas's ring says. Okay, bye.
I know.
Love you.
Alright, bye.